Hello everyone, my name is Kishan Agarwal. Today I'm going to present my Exceed prototype designing video, and my topic is smart automation. These are my group members. So let's begin with the PPT. So as we know that the world's natural resources are already depleting, and we need to conserve energy as much as possible. So energy conservation is the vital in today's world. Not only does it help households save money, but it also encourages consumers to be more conscious about preserving natural resources. So this can be done in many different ways using IoT devices or smart grids, which made homes smarter, and it appliances also in conservation of energy. So smart appliances can inform homeowners of real-time consumption so that they can monitor their energy usage, and reports can easily be generated or extracted, allowing homeowners to monitor their daily, weekly, and monthly energy consumption accurately. In addition, we can install sensors, different kinds of sensors like motion sensors in our homes so that most of the energy can be conserved. So, so our main objective in our idea is we are going to develop a mobile or web app system using IoT to make energy conservation easy. We are also going to provide reports on usage of all the resources in day-to-day life, and smart automation methods to reduce the amount of power resources we use. So this is a general pie chart showing energy consumption in a home. So generally, most of the energy is consumed by refrigerator, that is around 48%, and around 50% of the other energy consumption is the other devices, interior lightings, fans, pumps, etc. So what are the ways to reduce energy consumption? There are many ways: installing CFL and LED lights, which consumes less energy, optimize the room temperature so that we can avoid using ACs and all, maximize the use of natural light. In daytime, we can use our natural light by by opening our curtains and all. Insulate your house, get energy audit done so that you can know that what are the areas where excess energy is used or consumed, so that you can get to know that where you can reduce your consumption of energy. So we are using Figma tool to design our prototype. So how we are going to connectivity is very important, as there are many appliances. There is a large amount of appliances we use in our day-to-day life. It may be a electric washing machine, or fans, or TVs, lights, fans, etc. Many devices. So it is a very difficult task to connect all the different appliances. So we are going to use something called as URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, which will identify a particular appliance, like it may be light, fan, or any other appliance. We're going to divide it, and then we can identify them by using a uniform resource name, so that this can be connected to a DNS system, that is domain name server. And after that, these domain server will be linked to our application. So all the URIs and URNs connected to these DNS will be accessible by the user. So how to calculate your electricity bill? This why we are introducing this concept in our slide. Most of them don't know how the electricity bill is calculated, so that they can estimate the amount to be paid and the amount of energy they have saved using our application. This we are going to use in our app, which will show the bar graphs and different modes to represent the energy consumption. So you can use estimate online estimation calculator to calculate. So I'm giving a basic example by using 5 devices that are fan, tube light, LED light, television, refrigerator. So here we have given the power rating even like 80 watts, 40 watts, the amount of energy which is consumed by the particular device, and how many appliances a general home contains. So after that, to calculate, we are going to use the kilowatt per hour unit. So each and every appliances is calculated separately by using the formula like watt into hour into number of appliances. So how many hour we are going to use that appliance and how many appliance we are going to use, dividing by 1000 to get in kilowatts. Then I've calculated for fan, tube light, television, refrigerator and added it. So this is how the total units can be calculated, and then multiplied with the amount of whatever it is. It will be different for different localities. So next is prototype. I'll show you the prototype which we have built using the Figma design tool. And here, this is the basic web page, the login page to our device, smart automation. You can log in using different modes like sign up with Facebook, sign up with email, and sign up with Google. Here I'm going to sign up with mail. So you need to give your name, email address, and password. And after verifying all your details, you can click sign up so that it will log on to a page, and the basic page will contain the rooms and devices which we are connected. So rooms, the number of rooms you are having, and each room will again contains the number of devices connected to that. Or you can select directly the devices. It will collect a list of all the devices which are connected in different rooms. So if we go room wise, like here, I'm going to visit in bedroom. So I have connected only 4 devices for now. And here you can check the status by clicking on the particular device, like bulb is on or off, and you can again on or off, or you can operate here. And fan, similarly fan, you can reduce the speed of the fan, or you can turn on or off the fan. And similarly we have for other rooms even, like living room, the devices, and kitchen, which contains other important appliances like refrigerator, ovens, and mixers. Master bedroom, which even have some kind of appliances like lamps, ACs. So this is what the devices will be connected in the rooms. So you can add a device or add a room by just clicking the plus symbol, or you can go to the dashboard and check for the add device option. After going there, you can select the device which you want to add, and then you need to select the room in which room you are going to add the device so that it will be added appropriately in that room. So this is how our interface will work. This is the basic representation. This is what we are going to implement. There are many more features, like we have a similar app provided by Google, like Google Homes, but it is not going to provide you with the graphs and the ways to conserve the energy. So our distinct or our unique selling point is that we are going to give you the graphs per day, weekly, and monthly, so that accordingly you can manage the devices, and also where is the energy, like uh, when you are going to use the maximum energy, at what time the power consumption is very high, and which devices are using the power at a higher level. You can check with the currently available devices, and you can manage, like your AC is taking more amount of consuming more amount of power, and you have a AC in the market, which is going to reduce the power consumption, but it is of the similar cost which we are using. So that it will suggest you to buy that AC or replace this AC with that AC, so that power consumption will be reduced. So the app will also provide you the appliances which are consuming less energy, and also it will provide you the ratings even by different users. So this is about the prototype. Now, so to conclude, this idea is to reduce power consumption, that is the wastage of energy. For that, we are going to develop an mobile application using IoT sensors and all. First of all, we are going to connect all the electric appliances with our app, and then we are going to provide the rating of appliances and suggest us with the latest models which can reduce the power consumption according to the usage. It will analyze the peak hours of usage and try to suggest ways to manage the usage. In that app, we are going to provide reports on usage of all the resources in a day-to-day life and smart automation methods to reduce it. Thank you.